everyone, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go over some items that I got at the Dollar Tree this week and some projects that I'm going to be working on with them. So let's start off with these laser cut words. They come 3 in a pack. This one says trust. This one says inspire. Nope, that one says inspire. Sorry. This one says imagine. And the other word is forever. I used mine on a composition notebook that I made, that I altered on the front here. I glued it onto the front. Let me know below what else would you put these on. Maybe cards or whatever. I'd like to see what you guys think about it. I got these chalkboard tags. Comes 6 in a pack, and already with the little twine on it. And with this, I got the metallic marker. This one's white, so I'll be doing some details on the chalk tags. I got this little birdhouse. I only got one. If it comes out good, I'll probably get some more from my tiered trays. I saw it on another channel, Nicole Northgarden DIY, where she used paper and covered it up in paint and then added some greenery. We'll see how that comes out with what I'm thinking about. I also got another one of these wood boxes. There's little drawers. This one comes out. I've used the inside for another project that I'm working on. This one here. This one has the butterflies, but you won't see those. I'm going to be covering them up with some scrapbook paper on the inside. And each of these blocks will have some letters like love, home, probably do luck, fall, for the different seasons. We'll see how that comes out. Come back and see how that works out. And I also got these rubber stamps. I already took them out of the package and stick them in these sleeves. I got the llama, the dragonflies and butterflies, hearts, love, I love you, and this one's a pretty one. It's the birds. It says enjoy life, have a nice day, beautiful. There's a couple more that my Dollar Tree didn't have. The word I want to look for at my Dollar Tree soon, hopefully, is the word memories. That'd be great for one of my altered notebooks. The rubber stamps, I stick them in these sleeves. To keep them all the same size and protect it. You probably can't see this. I'll put the link down below. They're pretty inexpensive, I think 50 in a pack. And then I stick them in, I'm going to zoom out, in this container. And I have all my rubber stamps and dies. Still new to this, so it's not a big container. And I have my blocks in the front here, the clear blocks for the rubber stamps. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I got these scrunchies. You're thinking scrunchies for a craft project? No, scrunchies for my hair. I got them for these little pineapples. I'm going to take these off and make some earrings for myself. Aren't they cute? I got this big piece of wood here. It says love blooms here. But I'm going to sand this down and repurpose it for something else. We'll see what idea I come with. I got this nautical rope that I'm going to be adding to this small tray. There's a candlestick with a pie plate on top, so I'll be adding that to that. Come back to see what I do with that. It's gonna be interesting. Also, I got some wood cutouts. I got the truck. I love red truck. If you don't know anything from me, I like red trucks. I want one of those old ones too, like from the Hallmark movies. And I got these little pallets that I'm going to stick in here for the truck bed. So we'll see how that works out. And the other cutouts that I got was this little squatty. I'm going to use some scrapbook paper, probably for my tier tray, give him a little stand or something with some Jenga blocks, the mini Jenga blocks. And then this bunny is like 10 inches wide by 11 inches tall. We'll see what I come up with him. And for my projects, my crochet projects, I like to keep them in bags. So like this one here is for a toy that I'm making my son, the little toad from Mario. So I like to keep the instructions, the yarn, and the hook I'm using in one bag. And I got these. These are a little bit larger. These are 15 by 15, so it holds a bigger projects or bigger yarn. So I was running out of those. What else I want to get from Dollar Tree, what I'm hoping our Dollar Trees get them soon, is the die cuts that I've seen everybody hauling for my die cut machine. They have edge die cuts, some heart die cuts. So I'll be checking back at my Dollar Trees to see if they come soon. So just come back and see what I convert all this stuff to in the future. And thank you for coming. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What else would you use this little box for? I have some different ideas that I'll show you on in the future as well. And thank you, and have a nice day.